is a big ship just arriving in harbor, the biggest harbor in Kenya, in Mombasa. That's how it hoods. So that's a sign of notify. It's not notify maybe the ferry that they need to stop their services until it passes. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You'll agree with me. Nothing beats this. It's a good feeling, man. So that's gone. Let's get something different.
Soda maji, soda maji, soda maji.
Hatuende msikitini.
Now, very good evening, and you are enjoying the beach. Yeah, it feels good being here, watching these tides. Yeah, very tough one. At such a moment, you cannot play with them. Yeah, unless you want to visit your ancestors very soon. You have to build them. It's very tough. It looks like a tsunami. It's a tsunami, yeah, exactly. Yeah. You see everything? Just look at it. And leave a comment there. What makes you never to visit Mombasa? Yeah. What makes you not to come and enjoy such a feeling? Yeah, such a mood. You know, let me tell you something. We have that one person who chooses going to the club, partying and spending a lot of money. The same money I can use to a good places. Yeah, beautiful places. Yeah. And by doing that, you have added some more years into your life. Yeah. You stay young and happy. There are some more people there, over there. Huh? So you can do the same, to enjoy the same. Yeah. The air breathing here, excellent, man. My person is, that guy is little skin a lot. So you have some guys warning this cookie not to go near the waters. But they always assume that now that they know swim, you can survive in such. Enjoy the life in Kenya. Enjoy the beauty of Africa. We always say this, we can never trade Africa with another continent. We are endowed with almost everything. We are endowed with everything, not even almost. We are endowed with everything. Yeah, we are proud of that. Let's brag about it. Let's be proud of what we have. Let's go see Africa. Go see Africa. Yeah. Hello. Mimi nilifanya karibu kila kitu bana. Some good evening vibes, yeah, on the safari Mombasa. So I just met my good friend here at the beach. Yeah. People here have a good time. People enjoy. Yeah, everything here is fresh. Yeah. So unlike Nairobi, whereby you cannot say hi to someone and they respond. Yeah, everyone will always greet you. Whether you want to respond to it or not, someone will respond. Yeah. So just met my friend here, and upon saying hi, she responded. So everyone in the ferry, yeah, will always be willing to say hey back. In Nairobi, you don't shake someone's hands. And that's why I usually tell people in Mombasa, so they don't get it how. So yeah. You always risk someone's you don't want to risk someone scamming you. Yeah. I do YouTube. Yeah. She does YouTube too. So that's a coincidence. So she's the lead Natasha.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Check me out.
Yeah, the lead Natasha. Check her out. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, support her. She's doing an amazing job with Just Water. Yeah, exposing the beach boys and the field activities. So it's a coincidence. I said so. We just met here, and we're doing similar videos. Yeah, but she is more famous than me.
Really?
She's more famous and controversial. Yeah.
That's nice. But you are also doing an amazing work.
Thank you. Thank you. So we need to. Oh, thank you. We need to start going. So.
Wait.
Oh. Good. So I have to be told whether I need to alight from the ferry or not. Now these are the dwellers of the coastal town. Yeah. What motivated you to start your YouTube? What led to you doing YouTube?
I found it more refreshing and just like it just relaxes my mind.
Yeah.
Like when you do YouTube, most of the time you find that you are interacting with people that you are not seeing. Actually. It's so much relaxing, and it feels so like it's just okay when you are around YouTube than even around people.
Oh,
That's
by
how
the
it feels.
you have the
You already have the friends that you don't know.
exactly. You create the best what? The best community.
Around
Online. By the your friends, do they subscribe to your channel?
Not really. Maybe just let's say a quarter of them maybe or less.
Yeah. Who watches your videos more? Kenyans or people abroad?
Mostly like for the past
Let's say 1 month.
I saw it was some little Kenyans at the top, maybe like just 20%, then the rest are.
So the 8% is abroad.
Yeah, imagine. I'm so happy.
That's why you're saying you're famous. Yeah, you must be very famous. You told me you live in the last people.
Yeah.
So that one person who has motivated you to keep on doing whatever you do on YouTube.
Yes.
You always have that one person who inspires you on YouTube. Who is he or she? Yeah.
Who maybe I watch and say maybe one day I will be like that person. Dimwango.
Oh, Dimwango.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's why
I'm always looking forward to be like her. Actually,
but she does a good job. She does a good job.
Yeah. Traveling the world.
Yeah.
That's something that anyone, like, I don't know if it's anyone, but for me, that's something that I can want someday.
The African Tigress, you follow her?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, you are a good follower of the African Tigress.
Yeah, I'm always there looking at her videos and even commenting.
She's currently
among the premium girl.
Hey, serious? Oh, she's currently in Barcelona.
I saw that.
Dimwango.
Let's go.
Dimwango, I watched I
Dimwango
think 2
is
days
in
ago.
Jamaica.
Oh yeah, Jamaica. Yeah, I saw a flight to Jamaica. Yeah. So she's taller than me. She's famous than me.
You'll be stopped from filming.
Yeah, she outshines me. I'm used to getting arrested at the ferry, so.
You'll be arrested.
Yeah, I usually get arrested almost every day. Adios.